Alright, so the past hour and a half I've been out here. I just went to adjust my glasses. Glasses aren't even on my head, so let's change that. Okay, I can see now. So, hour and a half I've been out here. All night I was thinking about it. I was like, alright, I know exactly what I'm going to do tomorrow. Woke up, my back is fucking killing me, but I'm just so excited to get this shit done. I've been sanding down the fender for the quarter panel of the driver's side of the Bronco, and the problem I was having was where the LeBaron fenders came down, there was like a gap. So what I did was I cut a little bit of meat off, so the bottom of the fenders are now going to a point. They fit so flush against the Bronco body, it looks like I bought a kit that you're supposed to basically install yourself. But yeah, so I'm gonna push the Bronco in here. I'm gonna mount this fender the best I can and then throw some tack welds on and see what it looks like. There we go. Is it around the... Yeah, that looks good. Alright. Make sure that's how I want it to be. Yup. Down here. Put that there. Oh my gosh, I love this shit. Let me get in here and tack up here. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my gosh. Oh, I like it. I so fucking like that. It's pretty cool. I even like this little curve here. Bring that down. Drop it. See, what I was thinking was this gap here. I know it looks atrocious, but the way I see it in my head is I see me filling that in with something like this to give it that supercar look, like a venting or whatever. Maybe spray painting the body in there all black so it looks like it's just like a hole. Bronco, where are you going? Well, I'm gonna start working on the other fender, and maybe I'll work on this one too. This bottom needs to come up and get welded, but yeah, I'm happy with that. I know it looks dreadful right now, but it's gonna look so fucking awesome, I can tell already.
Looking good.